Oh, Mr. Let's see, Mr. Vassal Johnson. What is your client's
Yes,
name
sir.
again?
Marisol, and then the last name is Leon Ortiz.
Leon hyphen Ortiz.
Yes.
Why don't you let Miss Horn know as well, okay? Do you have her cell number?
I do. Yes, Your Honor.
Contact her, see if she has any objection. I'm sure she won't, but let her know. And maybe she can call her officers off.
No, it was just a pretrial for tomorrow.
Oh, and you want it for another date?
Yes, Your Honor, because she gave us two options and I picked the bad one.
Pre-trial, what day do you want?
It was July 10.
All right, does you need an interpreter?
No, sir.
All right, July 10 will be the date. Can you put that in for Mr. Johnson, Mr. Nash, please? All right, Mr. Johnson, be safe.
Thank you, Judge. You too. Appreciate you.
Oh, Mr. Bennett, your client again, I'm sorry.
Alabas Aludi, Your Honor. It's for an arraignment.
Alabas. Now, does your client potentially want to fight this case, or would your client want to take, because if the client's going to fight the case, we're going to send your client to his alphabet judge.
No, Judge, I think we're going to be able to work it out.
All right, he'll be doing community service if he wants to work it out, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right, we'll keep it here.
Thank you.
All right. I'm going to start letting them in.
Vassal Johnson?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, how you doing? Good morning, sir. Hello?
Hello.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning.
The Honorable
Good morning.
Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions and mute your devices. Court is in session. Good morning.
All right, good morning, everyone. I'm sorry, Miss. Go ahead, Miss Villarreal, Miss Hernandez.
Emma.
Ok. Buenos días, señores y señores. Bienvenidos a la corte virtual del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras que esta corte esté en sesión, por favor mantengan sus micrófonos en silencio hasta que su caso sea llamado. En esta corte no se permite estar comiendo, fumando, manejando o tomando cualquier cosa. Tampoco se permite tener ningún tipo de cobertura en la cabeza a menos que sea por motivos religiosos, y hay que estar debidamente vestido, nada de camisetas o de escotes con abiertos para las señoras, hay que cubrirse los hombros. Bienvenidos a todos a la corte comunitaria del honorable juez John Perkins. La corte entra en sesión.
All right. Good morning, everyone. What I'm gonna try to do is do the best I can to get you out as fast, efficiently, and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Buenos días, señoras y señores. Voy a tratar de hacer esto de la forma más rápida y eficiente posible, y los voy a tratar de llamar en el orden que ustedes se han registrado.
Are we ready, Mr. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Alabasas Mohammed Aludi, case number SP 186-9974, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Samuel Bennett appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Aludi, who appears via Zoom, as do I. Mr. Aludi, can you state your name for the judge, please?
My name is Alabas Lauri.
All right, good morning to you, sir. And Counselor, can you put your P number on the record, please?
Yes, P79221. And for purpose of the arraignment, Your Honor, I'd waive the formal reading and stand mute. We're just asking for a pretrial.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. The pretrial will be July the 8th, 2026 at 8:30. There's nothing further. I wish both of you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thanks, Judge. We'll see you then. Have a great day.
All right, be safe.
Thanks, you too.
All right. Ms. Hernandez, can you raise your right hand, please? State your name for the record.
Emma Hernandez, Your Honor, es CAO, Qualified Spanish Interpreter, number 15575.
All right, do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
You swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you. I mean, strike that. Ms. Villaroo, I'm sorry, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Evelyn Villarule, Certified Court Interpreter, C3822.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in a manner now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Rosa Calderon, case number SP 1889656, counts 1 and counts 2. Ms. Calderon, can you state your name for the record, please?
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Rosa Calderón, número de caso SP 188-9656, cargos 1 y 2. Señora Calderón, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Buenos días. María Guadalupe Silva Cortés.
Good morning, a María Guadalupe Silva Cortés.
And good morning to you. Where is Miss Rosa Calderon?
Buenos días, señora. ¿Dónde está Rosa Calderón?
Buenos días.
Good morning.
All right, good morning. Now, you were the young lady that was driving the car, right?
Entonces, esta es la jovencita que estaba manejando el carro, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
And your mom was the one that allowed you to drive the car, right?
Y su mamá fue la que le permitió a usted manejar ese carro, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
And who did the community? Nobody did any community service.
¿Y quién hizo las horas de servicio? Nadie hizo las horas de servicio comunitario.
Lo que es, ¿puedo hablar?
May I talk? May I say something?
Yes.
Sí, señor. Ahora.
En la anterior corte que habíamos tenido, a mí por ser menor me dijeron que con la que querían hablar era con mi mamá y a ella le dijeron que tenía que hacer las horas y ya las terminó.
Because in the previous hearing that we have, I was told that they had to talk to my mom, and she already did the hours because she was the one, we were informed she was the one to do the hours.
Mr.
Can you hear me?
Pardon me?
Can you hear me?
You're very low, Mr. Phillips.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you. You're just low. Go ahead.
She did complete 12 hours of community service. Her mother.
Who did?
Her mother.
But shouldn't I don't know what happened last time because I don't have the record.
Yo no sé qué pasó la vez anterior porque yo no tengo aquí el expediente.
But shouldn't the daughter do some community service too? I didn't have jurisdiction over the mother.
Yo no tengo la jurisdicción, pero pienso ella no necesita hacer, la menor no necesita hacer algunas horas.
Necesita.
Sí, o sea, sí necesita hacer.
I mean, I think you should do some community service, Ms. Calderon. You were the one driving. You knew you didn't have a proper license, correct?
Señorita Calderón, yo pienso que usted debería hacer alguna hora de servicio comunitario porque usted era la que estaba manejando, ¿correcto?
I don't have the record of exactly what happened last time, but I do want you to do 12 hours of community service, Ms. Calderon.
Yo no tengo aquí el expediente de lo que pasó la otra vez, pero señorita Calderón, usted tenía que hacer, hay que hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
Sí, está bien.
Yeah, that's fine.
Or is this what happened? You said Rosa Calderon was your mother. They wrote the ticket in your mother's name.
Yo creo recordar, usted dijo que que usted era Rosa Calderón y el ticket se lo dieron a su mamá.
No.
No.
Yeah. Yes, it was.
I cannot hear Mr. Phillips. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Can you hear me now?
You have to speak up.
The way it sounded, the way I remember it, is that she had her mother's identification and gave the police her mother's identification. She was driving.
Lo que yo recuerdo es que ella tenía la identificación de su mamá y por eso dio el nombre de su mamá.
All right, I'm gonna pass this matter.
Yo voy a pasar este caso.
This is the city of Detroit versus Ishmael Adrian Cisneros, case number SP 189-8595, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance for the record. Let me state your name for the record, please.
Se llamó el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Ismael Adrián Cisneros. Número de caso SP 1898595-3 y 1. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Good morning to you, Mr. Cisneros. State your name for the record, please.
Buenos días, usted, señor Cisneros. Díganos su nombre, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Ismael Adrián Cisneros.
Ismael H. Adrián Cisneros.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service and an additional 6 hours of the community service in lieu of fines and costs. I see that you completed those hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out.
Señor Cisneros, este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener su revisión de caso. Yo le había ordenado a usted que cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario más unas 6 adicional en vez de tener que pagar costos y multas. Le queremos dar las gracias porque vemos aquí que usted ya las cumplió y reconociendo esto vamos a cerrar el caso.
Gracias.
Thank you.
I have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Que tenga un día maravilloso, señor, y buena suerte usted.
This is the city of Detroit versus Nelson Rolando Guerin Reyes, case number SP 189-69731. Good morning to you. What's your name for the record, please?
Your Honor, where is he at? Please.
Right in the reviews. He's about the fourth name down under Gallegos.
Gallegos. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Only one case?
Only one case.
Thank you. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Eric Gallegos, número de caso SP 187-707.
No.
Okay.
No, he's Nelson Rolando Guerin Reyes.
Girón Reyes. Thank you, Your Honor. Sorry. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Nelson Rolando Girón Reyes. Caso SP 189-697-31. Por favor, señor, su nombre.
Nelson Rolando Girón Reyes.
Nelson Rolando Girón Reyes.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out.
Señor, muy buenos días a usted. Veo aquí que se le habían ordenado hacer 6 horas de servicio comunitario y hoy es el día establecido para la revisión de su caso. Veo que las ha hecho. Le doy muchas gracias por haberlo hecho y con esto queda cerrado su caso.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
A la orden, señor, que tenga muy buen día y la mejor de las suertes para usted.
Muchas gracias. Que pasen feliz día.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful day.
Usually.
Igualmente para usted.
Julio Ishmael Gonzalez de Leon, case number SP 189984441. Appearance for the record. State your name for the record, please.
Where is he on the docket, Your Honor?
Right on line. We're going down right under
I see
your own.
Julio González de León. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Julio González de León. Número de caso SP 1899-8441. Que todos digan sus nombres para que conste en el acta.
Sí, buenos días, mi nombre es Julio González Ismael de León.
Good morning, my name is Julio González de León.
Good morning to you, Mr. De Leon. Today is the date and time set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Buenos días, usted, el señor González de León. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la revisión de su caso. Veo aquí que yo le había pedido que hiciera 6 horas de servicio comunitario en vez de tener que pagar costos y multas. Vemos aquí que usted las cumplió y reconociendo eso queremos cerrar su caso. Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias. Buen día.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You have a better one. Thank you.
Que usted tenga uno aún mejor. Gracias.
This is the city of Detroit versus Ken De La Rio Mendez Jimenez, case number SP 189-88991. Good morning to you. State your record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Candelario Méndez Jiménez, número de caso SP 189-88991. Diga su nombre, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Mi nombre es Candelario Méndez Jiménez.
My name is Candelario Méndez Jiménez.
Morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a review. You are allowed to do 6 hours of community service in lieu of fines and costs. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Muy buenos días, señor. Veo aquí que usted se le había ordenado hacer 6 horas de servicio comunitario en lugar de pagar multas y costos, y veo que usted las ha hecho. Por lo tanto, con esto su caso queda desestimado.
Okay.
Ok.
All right, have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor, que tenga un excelente día. La mejor de las suertes le deseo a usted.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
All right. Mr. Noel Luna, this is the city of Detroit versus Noel Luna, case number SP155-00871. All. State your name for the record, sir. Good morning to you.
Hello, Your Honor. My name is Noel Luna.
All right, today is the date and time. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a review. And Mr. Luna, you had 360 hours of community service, and I only see you completed 39 of those hours. We're not getting anywhere. What did you have, a month?
Can I say something?
Go ahead.
I just don't have 39 hours. I have 73. I haven't turned the other paper in.
Okay. All right, 73. All right, I'm gonna bring you back next month, okay?
Okay.
Let's keep it going.
Okay, thank you.
Let's keep it going. Thank you for the 73. I'll bring you back on the 22nd of July, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Marciela Martinez Santiago, case number SP1903211. Good morning to you. State your name, please.
Evelyn.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Marisela Martínez Santiago, número de caso SP 19032151. Todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta.
Marcela Martinez Santiago, can you just state your name, please?
Marisela Martínez Santiago, ¿pudiera usted por favor prender su micrófono y díganos su nombre?
Mi nombre es Marisela Martínez Santiago.
My name is Marisela.
Lo bendiga.
Santiago Martínez o Martínez Santiago.
Santiago.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Buenos días, usted, señora.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time is set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Y buenos días, usted, señora. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener su revisión de caso. Veo aquí que yo le había pedido que hiciera 6 horas de servicio comunitario en vez de tener que pagar costos y multas. Y veo también que usted las cumplió. Le queremos dar las gracias por eso y cerramos a su caso.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Well, this is the city of Detroit versus Maria Ochoa, case number SP189-27713. Ms. Ochoa, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora María Flores Ochoa, número de caso SP 189-27713. Señora Ochoa, si es tan amable, puede decir su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Buenos días, soy María Teresita Flores Ochoa.
Good morning, my name is María Teresita Flores Ochoa.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time and is set for a review in lieu of fine. I mean, you were ordered to be 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Señora, yo veo aquí que usted se le ordenó hacer 2 horas de servicio comunitario y veo que ya las ha cumplido, por lo cual le damos muchísimas gracias y por lo mismo su caso queda desestimado. La mejor de las suertes para usted.
Muchas gracias y disculpen las molestias.
Thank you very much and excuse the bother, please.
All right, have a great day. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señora, que tenga un excelente día y la mejor de las suertes para usted.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Luego puedo salir, ¿verdad?
Can I sign out, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Sí, señora.
City of Detroit versus Yasmin Alejandra Ortega Lopez, case number SP 189-39491. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Jasmine Alejandra Ortega López, número de caso CP 1893-9491. Por favor, díganos su nombre.
I understand she doesn't need an interpreter.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I think so. I have that note by me. I don't know, Your Honor.
Yeah, Ms. Ortega Lopez, good morning to you. Are you there? Maybe she doesn't. Oh, she's muted. Can you unmute yourself by pressing *6, ma'am? *6 to unmute yourself. Ortega Lopez, can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please?
Hello, my name is Alejandra Ortega Lopez.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that, ma'am. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Oh, Mr. Warbling. Let's do this. Mr. Warbling, let's get your client out of here. Give me 1 second, Mr. Warbling. City of Detroit versus Darwin Joaquin de Jesus Ortega Ortiz Lopez, case number SP 188-97361. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Does he need an interpreter, Your Honor?
Sí, por favor.
Yes.
And his name again, Your Honor.
Joaquin Darwin Joaquin de Jesus Ortiz Lopez.
Ajá. Thank you, Your Honor. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Darwin Joaquín Ortiz López. Número de caso SP 188-973-61. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Darwin Joaquín de Jesús Ortiz López.
Good morning. My name is Darwin Joaquín de Jesus Ortiz López.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time. It's set for a review, and you are ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case.
Buenos días a usted, señor Ortiz López. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una revisión de su caso. Veo aquí que yo le ordené que usted cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario y veo también que usted las cumplió. Reconociendo esto, le queremos dar las gracias a usted y vamos a desestimar a su caso.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you so very much.
I have a great day, sir.
Que tenga muy buen día, señor.
Un buen día para todos, gracias.
And I wish everyone there a good day as well.
Thank you.
Gracias.
This is the city of Detroit. Mr. Warbling, are you there? All right, we'll continue on. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Ali Isaac Perez Diaz, Case number SP189-34781. To you, state your name for the record, please.
It is interpreter, Your Honor.
I don't know.
Okay.
You need an interpreter, Mr. Perez Diaz?
Yes, please.
Llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Eli Isaac Pérez Díaz, número de caso SP 189-34781. Diga su nombre, señor.
Eli Isaac Pérez Díaz.
Eli Isaac Pérez Díaz.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Buenos días, señor. Hoy es el día para su revisión. Veo que se le ordenó hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario, los cuales ha hecho, por lo cual le damos las gracias. Con esto queda su caso desestimado. Que tenga excelente día. Se puede retirar.
Gracias, igualmente.
Thank you. Same for you.
Great day.
Que tenga excelente día.
This is the city of Detroit versus Iris Sevilla. Cisa, or give me the correct pronunciation of the last name, Trciso.
Denos la pronunciación correcta de su apellido, señora Iris Sevilla.
Iris Janet Sevilla Turcios.
Turcios.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is Iris Sevilla Torcios, the city of Detroit versus Iris Sevilla Torcios, case number SP189-67841. Today is the date and time for a review.
Buenos días a usted, señora. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Iris Sevilla Turcios. Gracias por habernos dicho la pronunciación de su apellido. Caso número SP 1896-7841. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una revisión de su caso.
You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those hours of community service, and we thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case. Nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day, and best of luck to you.
Veo aquí que yo le había ordenado que cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario. También veo aquí que usted las cumplió. Reconociendo esto, señora, le queremos dar las gracias a usted y vamos a desestimar su caso. Con esto le deseamos muy buen día y buena suerte.
Gracias, igual bonito día.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. You as well.
Muchísimas gracias. Y usted también.
Mr. I'll go over that with you at the end of the day. Mr. Worley, are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Sorry about that, Judge. Yes,
Sorry.
I did have a good conversation with Attorney Horn, and I appreciate her time.
All right, City of Detroit versus Rod Ali Abdo, case number SP190-44161. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you state your full and complete name for the record at this time, sir? Mr. Abdo. You're muted.
Yes. Hello, Your Honor. My name is Rod Ali Abdo.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
This is today is the date and time set for an arraignment for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Judge, my client will stand mute. He'll wait for more reading.
I enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Warbling, your client wants a trial date.
Yes, Judge, he's going to continue his not guilty plea. I did go over the proposed offer, continuing the not guilty plea, requesting a bench trial, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to give you a bench trial date of July the 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. All right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
If
Appreciate
there's
your
nothing
time.
further,
Appreciate
I
Ms.
wish you
Horton's
both
time.
good.
Mr. Abdul, I'll be in touch with you.
You as well.
Thank you, Judge.
Hope you have a very good rest of your
Good
day.
day.
All right, thank you, Mr. Warbling. Thank you, Judge. Good morning.
You're welcome. Good morning, Ms. Warren. This is the city of Detroit versus Jeremiah Arrington. Case number SP 1909498, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yeah, hey, how you doing?
Good morning to you.
Morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Arrington. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Arrington, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the mask.
Your Honor,
Yes.
is Marvin Lara Lemus on your list or is he not?
Pardon me?
Is Marvin Lara Lemus on your list?
He is. He is.
He is? Oh, okay. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Bruno Lima da Silva. Case number SP 1914681. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, he needs interpreter?
I don't know.
No?
Sí, por favor.
Yes, okay. Thank you. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Bruno Lima da Silva, número de caso SP 191-46811. Su nombre, por favor.
Mi nombre es Bruno Lima da Silva. Buenos días.
My name is Bruno Lima da Silva. Good morning.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
Mi nombre es Ed Woodbury Jr., representando al acusado.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time and is set for an arraignment for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Buenos días a todos. Hoy es el día y la hora establecido para la lectura de cargos. ¿Cómo desea proceder, señor abogado?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
Mr. De Silva, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor Lima da Silva, yo le voy a mandar una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, quien le va a dar una oferta por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que siempre tiene el derecho de ir a juicio si no le gusta esta oferta.
Ok, muchísimas gracias, señor juez.
Okay, thank you very, very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Join the room.
A la orden, señor, por favor, únase, acepte la invitación a unirse a la sala de consulta privada número 2. Is he there?
He's in there. Yep. On the telephone at 313-454-9772. We'll pass that matter. 313-454-9772. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Craig Lewis.
Say that again.
Craig Lewis.
Craig Lewis. All right. This is the city of, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Craig Princeton Lewis.
Yes.
Case number Case number SP 174400362. Mr. Lewis, good morning. Will you state your name for the record, please?
Craig Lewis.
All right. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a review. And fines and costs you are allowed to do. I said 12 hours of community service would clear everything. On here, it only lists that you had 6. I believe it was a miscommunication. What I will do is I'll close out one of the fractions of the no insurance proof. If you want to do the additional 6 hours of community service, we'll close the other matters out. I do thank you for the 6 hours though.
Okay, Your Honor, I did 12
Yes.
hours and it was 12 written on the sheet.
Okay, Mr. Phillips, he indicated that he did 12 hours. He's only listed as 6 hours on the sheet.
Just a second, Your Honor. Great, President Lewis. That's correct. He did 12 hours, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close all the matters out and thank you for the community service, sir. And I wish you the best of luck, okay?
Thank you. What do I need to go to the Secretary of State to get my license reinstated?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. We'll put this in today sometime and go to the Secretary of State probably tomorrow.
Okay.
If you don't have anything further, Mr. Lewis, best of luck to you and good luck on your driver's license. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You as well.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Arrington. Mr. Arrington, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to the amended charge of limited access 1 to 5 over. And he is ready to do community service. I provided his contact information in the chat.
Do you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea in your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor. We stipulate it's a probable cause for the dismissal.
All right, for that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, 6 hours of community service in lieu of fines and costs, and we'll dismiss the misdemeanor. Mr. Arrington, I'm going to give you until July the 22nd to complete the hours, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You have a contact number of Mr. Phillips, don't you?
Yes.
You put that direct to me. Mr. Phillips has to get that number as well, Miss Harris.
I provided it to Mr. Phillips also.
Okay, thank you. All right, contact Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set the hours up. And once the hours are complete, we'll close the matter out. I do wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, you too. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, let's go and call the city of Detroit versus Abdul Reza Mungali. Case number SP 1918834, count 1, SP 1918836 I'm sorry if I messed your name up, sir. Appearance for the record, please.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. My name is Abdurazak Mughali.
Abdurazak.
Sorry, Sherika Harris on behalf of the defendant and for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Winner or not guilty plea on your client's behalf will get your client a $0 bond. Mr. Mughali, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. De Silva. Mr. De Silva, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my
Vamos a
client
ver
has
lo que consta en el acta con el caso del señor Da Silva. Señor, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry. Mr. Berry, señor Berry, ¿qué desea hacer su representado? Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, my client has shown a valid license issued out of Brazil. And we seek
Su señoría, mi cliente ha presentado una licencia válida de Brasil.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Está bien, entonces yo voy a desestimar el cargo por haber presentado la documentación necesaria. Así que tenga muy buen día, señor. La mejor de la suerte. Se puede retirar.
Muchísimas gracias. Que tenga un buen día, señor juez. Gracias,
Thank you very much and have a good day, Your Honor, and you too. Thanks. Thank you. Gracias.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Hyman Carranza, case number SP 19025101. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Jaime Carranza, número de caso CP19-025101. Díganos su nombre para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Jaime Galván Carranza.
Good morning, my name is Jaime Carranza.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Y soy Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando al acusado, su señoría.
Purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, vamos a renunciar que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
Good morning to you. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Carranza, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días a usted. Yo voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted y darle una fianza de $0. Ahora lo vamos a pasar a usted ahora a una sala privada de consulta para que tenga la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry. Él le va a tratar de conseguir usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si no le gusta la oferta de resolución, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora donde dice en la pantalla la palabra join o unirse. Join o unirse. Toque ahí, por favor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Blanca de la Cruz Martinez. Case number SP 1899457. Good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Blanca Cruz de la Cruz Martínez. Este número, por favor, número de caso CP189-94571. ¿Puede decir su nombre completo, por favor?
Sí, buenos días. Mi nombre es Blanca de la Cruz Martínez.
Yes, good morning. My name is Blanca de la Cruz Martínez.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Está bien, señora. Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la revisión de su caso. Veo que usted se le había ordenado hacer 6 horas de servicio comunitario y que ya ha cumplido con ello. Por lo tanto, su caso queda desestimado.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Ok, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
A la orden, señora.
Buen día.
Good morning.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Maglione. Mr. Maglione, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
That's to me, Your Honor, right?
Yes.
Okay. He's going to admit responsibility to the amended count of blocking traffic, Mr. Mogali.
Mogali, I'm sorry. Mr. Mogali, you want to take the deal?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. And we have the misdemeanor for not having insurance. I
It's
got
being
insurance.
dismissed. It's being dismissed, Mr.
Oh, it's being
Mogali.
dismissed. Okay.
Yes.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Sorry.
We stipulate
All
to the
right,
face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
All right, for that, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, and I'll dismiss the other matter. In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. I'm gonna give your client until July the 22nd to complete the hours. Mr. Mongali, if you give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up. If the hours are complete by July the 22nd, we'll close the matter out, okay?
All right. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Ignacio Rodriguez Hernandez, case number SP 1883957, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
His interpreter, Your Honor.
I don't know.
Señor Ignacio.
Buenos días.
Where is he? Okay.
Come into the camera, please.
Por favor, señor, muéstrese en cámara.
It doesn't, sorry, Your Honor, the camera does not work for us.
Well, pardon me?
The camera is not working for us at the moment.
And why is that?
I'm not sure. I think it's having some difficulties.
I will pass it until you figure it out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit. Ms. Harris versus Sherry Dupuis, case number SP 1915231. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record. Press *6 to unmute.
Thank you. Ms. Dupuis, press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Mr. Dupuis, press *6 to unmute yourself. Good morning to you. State your name for the record,
Good morning,
please.
Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Sherry Dupuis.
All right.
Purposes of arraignment.
Go ahead.
My client stands ready. Sorry.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Dupuis, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. She's in the room, Ms. Harris. Pass the matter. Oh, you can get
Your Honor, Mr. Blanca de la Cruz is still there, but she's done.
Yeah, she can leave. She's free to leave.
Ok. Señora Blanca de la Cruz, si me está oyendo, ya su caso ha sido cerrado. Usted puede salirse de la sesión, por favor. Ok. Thank you, Your Honor.
Well. Now let's go back on the record, Mr. Carranza. Mr. Carranza, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvemos ahora en el caso del señor Carranza. Señor Carranza, le dio usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Abogado, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the offer of the people to allow him to enter a plea as charged on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere aprovecharse de la oferta de resolución de parte de la fiscalía, es decir, él quiere presentar una declaración de culpable, tal como ha sido acusado, reconociendo que la sentencia queda aplazada por un periodo de 3 meses.
His number is in the chat. He stands ready to do community service.
El número de él ya lo pusimos por el chat y él está preparado para hacer servicio comunitario.
I don't see his number. I don't see his number in the chat, but was that a plea to as charged?
No veo el número de él por el chat, pero él se está declarando culpable tal como ha sido acusado.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Carranza?
¿Y usted quiere aceptar esta oferta de resolución, señor Carranza?
Sí.
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please.
Levante la mano derecha, por favor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí, sí, lo juro.
Yes,
Te voy a decir la
yes,
verdad.
I swear it. I'm going to tell the truth.
You can put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Y comprende usted que la penalidad máxima en este caso pudieran ser 93 días en la cárcel y o un máximo de $500 en multas?
Sí, sí, estoy de acuerdo.
Yes, yes, I'm agreeing to it.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de ir a juicio?
Sí, comprendo.
Yes, I understand.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y el señor Berry revisó con usted sus otros derechos constitucionales cuando estaban en la sala de consulta, ¿no es cierto?
Sí, sí.
Yes, yes.
And you understood those rights?
Y usted comprendió esos derechos.
Sí, sí, los comprendí.
Yes, yes, I did understand them.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No, ninguna.
No, not a one.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos dicho en el acta?
No, ni nadie.
No, no one.
All right, let me draw your attention back to May the 3rd, 2026, around 5:36 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and Federal. Were you in that area around that date and that time?
Entonces, permíteme llamarle la atención a la fecha del 3 de mayo del 2026, aproximadamente a las 5:36 de la tarde, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Livernois y Federal. ¿Estaba usted en esa área ese día?
Sí.
Yes. Yes.
And were you in a motor vehicle, sir?
¿Iba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado, señor?
No, iba de copiloto a un lado.
No, I was the passenger. I was next to the driver.
Yeah, but you were inside the motor vehicle, right?
Sí, pero usted estaba adentro del vehículo motorizado, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
And you had some alcohol in that vehicle?
¿Y es cierto que había alcohol dentro de ese vehículo?
Sí.
Yes.
Was the alcohol open, sir?
¿Y ese alcohol estaba en un contenedor abierto, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
And was it something in the container?
¿Y había algo dentro de ese contenedor?
Sí, tenía cerveza.
Yes, it had beer.
I'm going to find your client guilty as charged, order him to do 12 hours of community service and a 3-month delayed sentence, meaning if you complete the community service and don't get any other trouble, this will be dismissed from your record.
Muy bien, así que voy a procesar una declaración de culpable para su cliente, culpable tal como fue acusado. Y le voy a pedir que él cumpla 12 horas de servicio comunitario con una sentencia aplazada por un periodo de 3 meses. Y cuando él termine su periodo de servicio a la comunidad y no le ha tenido algún otro problema con la ley, el caso va a quedar desestimado.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right. You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
¿Y ya usted tiene el número del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon. Set the hours up. I'm going to give you until September the 23rd to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, entonces llame ese número esta misma tarde. Pida hablar con el señor Phillips para que puedan hacer los arreglos para las horas que usted va a trabajar. Yo le voy a dar a usted hasta el 23 de septiembre para que llegue a completar esas horas. Si no tiene algo adicional, le queremos desear a usted mucha suerte y que tenga buen día.
Sí, gracias. Igualmente.
Yes, thank you, and I wish you the same.
All right. Have a great day.
Muy bien, que tenga un día fabuloso.
Gracias igualmente.
Thank you, same to you.
All right. This is the Mr. Gillespie. Can you press *6 to unmute yourself? This is the City of Detroit versus James William Gillespie Jr. Case number SP 187-42281. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gillespie.
This is James William Gillespie.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment for purposes of arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Your client a $0 bond, Mr. Gillespie. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And Mr. Gillespie did sign an advice of rights form for Mr. Berry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Join the room, Mr. Gillespie. You let us know what you want to do when you come up. He's in there, Mr. Berry. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Sherry Dupuis. Ms. Dupuis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are seeking the appointment of counsel.
I want to change. No, I want to change it. I would like to do community service if possible. There are some churches that need help by me.
Why don't you go back and speak with Ms. Dupuis again?
Sorry about that, Your Honor.
Don't worry, no worries. She's in there, Ms. Harris. Brianna Angeles.
Hi, can you hear me?
Brianna Angeles.
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am. How can we help you?
This is for Ignacio Hernandez Rodriguez.
Oh, Ignacio Hernandez. Okay, very good. Give me a minute.
He's in the docket like Rodriguez Hernandez, Your Honor.
Yes. Are we ready on James Gillespie, Mr. Berry?
If the court could confirm that he has a valid license.
Can we run that, please, Ms. Harris? I mean, Ms. Nash.
Okay, yes, sir.
Run that license, please.
Yes, sir.
Turn it off so much. It's not valid, Mr. Berry.
All right. He's returning to the courtroom from outside the courthouse. If you'd have him step back outside and get on the phone with me again.
If you can go back in there, he's still on the break in the room in the breakout phone on the breakout room.
All right, let's see.
Just go back in breakout room 2, Mr. Berry.
Yes, sir.
Should be in there. Mr. Robert Lewis. Mr. Robert Lewis, can you press *6 to unmute yourself? Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Dupuy. Ms. Dupuy, Mr. Harris, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, it's my understanding that she wishes to enter a plea and do community service against counsel's advisement.
And Ms. Dupuy, do you want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that's as charged, Ms. Harris?
That is a guilty plea as charged, a 3-month delayed sentence.
All right, so you understand that when you plead guilty to this, it's going to be 2 points on your license, and those 2 points will not go away even after we dismiss the case if you're successful in completing the 3-month delayed sentence. Do you understand that, Mr. Dupuy?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you still want to take the deal?
Yes.
All right. All right, and you gotta understand that you're gonna have to go through Mr. Phillips to make sure that you the community service that you're gonna do, he's gonna assign you to a place, okay?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand, Mr. Dupuy?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Now, let me draw your attention back to May 19, 2026, around 4:53 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Navy and Springwell. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
And what kind of alcohol did you have?
I had a beer.
And was it open, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
And was the alcohol in the container?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, find your client guilty as charged. There'll be 12 hours of community service, 3-month delayed sentence. If you complete the community service and don't get any other trouble within the 3 months, then we will close the matter out. Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes, sir.
Is this the best number to reach you?
Yes.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up. I'm gonna give you until September 23rd, 2026 to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. God bless you, Your Honor. Thank you.
God bless you as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, this is the City of Detroit versus Ignacio Rodriguez Hernandez, case number SP 188-3957, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Bueno, es el acta para el caso del señor Hernández, Ignacio Rodríguez Hernández, número de caso SP 188-3957, casos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr.
Ignacio Rodríguez.
That would be Ms. Harris.
Sherika
No
Harris
es.
on behalf of the defendant.
Sherika Harris representando al abogado, al acusado.
Good morning to you, Mr. Hernandez. State your name for the record, please.
Ignacio Rodríguez.
Buenos días, señor Hernández. Por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Buenos
Ignacio
días.
Rodríguez
Hernández.
Hernández.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment. Purpose of arraignment, counselor.
Está bien, hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la lectura formal de cargos. Por favor, señora abogada, ¿cómo desea proceder?
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Hernandez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, yo voy a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una multa de $0 y le voy a mandar una sala de consulta privada con su abogada, quien le va a conseguir una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que usted tiene el derecho de ir a juicio si lo quisiera. Por favor, acepte la oferta para ir a la sala de consulta privada.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. He's in there. Mr. Berry, did you have any conversation with Mr. Gillespie?
Yes, Your Honor, and he is prepared to accept the offer, and he's headed back to the courtroom. We're ready to go.
Mr. Gillespie, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm coming up the elevator now, sir.
All right, you want to take the deal? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gillespie. Mr. Gillespie, you want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
And what is the deal, Mr. Berry?
To allow him to enter a plea to allowing, Your Honor.
Everything else, 36 cash.
Hey.
All right, to the hospital. Start speaking to the officer out there.
Mr. Gillespie. Mr. Gillespie?
You did. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here.
And you can come on inside the courtroom.
Okay. Coming in now. I'm sorry about that, Your Honor.
Sorry. You can hang up the phone. Come on in.
Okay.
Let's be outside.
Well, let's pass it. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Marvin Laura Loomis, case number SP 1912811, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Vamos a llamar el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Marvin Lara Lemus, números de caso SP 19-12811, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, State your full name, Miss Lara Lemus.
Elwood Berry representando al acusado. Usted díganos su nombre completo. Lara Lemus Marvin, señor.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Mi nombre es Marvin Alfredo Lara Lemus.
My name is Marvin Alfredo Lara Lemus.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Turn the camera on, please.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I take good morning to him. Turn the camera on, please.
Señor, buenos días a usted. Le pedimos que por favor prenda su cámara.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lemus. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Y buenos días a usted, señor Lara Lemus. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa a juicio. Lo vamos a pasar ahora a una sala privada donde usted pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry. Él le va a dejar saber cuál es la oferta de resolución que le propone la fiscalía. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, siempre tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte la invitación ahora cuando le... Acepte la invitación ahora. Thank you. Donde diga... unirse o join.
I was just anticipating that. All right. Let's pass that matter. Mr. Robert Lee Lewis. Mr. Robert Lee Lewis.
Robert Lee Lewis. Mr. Robert Lee Lewis.
Having trouble with his audio.
You have to unmute yourself. You're on the telephone and you're you have to press *6 on your phone to unmute yourself. Your phone is muted. I'm gonna hang the phone up. Maybe that's gonna do it. I'm gonna hang the phone up. All right, now see if you can talk. Robert Lee Lewis.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Mr. Lee Lewis, good morning. Robert Lee Lewis, good morning to you.
How you doing, sir?
All right. All right. You have cases in a couple of different things. We're going to consolidate your cases, okay?
Okay.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. We're just going to bring you back because I don't want you having all these different court dates. I'm going to set some stuff aside for you and see if you can go to Secretary of State and get a valid license.
I have my proof and
City of Detroit, well, make sure you keep that. City of Detroit versus Robert Lee Lewis III, case number SP185-2145, counts 1 and counts 2, SP185-88901, SP185-88911, SP191-628, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, Mr. Lee Lewis, Robert Lee Lewis.
Robert Lee Lewis III.
All right, today is the date and time set for what's arraignment on the bench warrant on this, and we're going to arraign you on all of them. So we're going to give you one court date. I am going to allow you to pay this $45 reinstatement fee up front on this one no insurance proof. You have to come down to the window and bring $45. There's no better way. They're not going to allow you to pay that up front, but to bring $45 down. And you go to the window, pay the $45, and then once you do that, you can go approach the Secretary of State and see if they can give you a valid license. If they don't give you a valid license, you can ask them for a printout of everything that's affecting your license.
Okay.
I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your behalf and give you a $0 bond on all the matters, all the misdemeanor matters. I'm gonna set aside the defaults on the civil infractions. And I'm going to give you a pretrial on everything for July 16, 2026.
Okay.
July 16, 20. So you know what you need to do?
Pay the $45.
At 8:30. Come down as soon as you can. Pay $45. Once you pay the $45, you go approach the Secretary of State and see if the Secretary of State will give you a valid license. If they don't give you a valid license, then you ask them for a printout of everything that's affecting your license, okay? They should give you that printout. Come back on. We didn't have a file for Robert Lee Lewis. Okay, that's good. That's all right. Here you go. That's good. All right, come back on, it was in there, Raymond, on the bench warrants, but come back on July 16th, 2026 at 8:30. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
All right, so I'm coming back on Zoom, or do I gotta come in?
It's like Burger King, sir. You have it your way.
Okay.
Best I can do. All right, have a great day, Mr. Lewis.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wait on Mr. Barry. Wait a minute. What's your date of birth?
March 5th, 1997.
Okay.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I see Mr. Telles is back. He needs an interpreter?
Yeah, I'll give 1 second. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You have $45 on you now?
On my card, yes, sir.
All right.
Should I be able to pay on my card?
Huh?
Should I be able to pay on my card?
Yes, I'm sure you can. All right, what we're gonna do, we'll leave this offer open for you. Let's go back on the record for Mr. James William Gillespie Jr. State your name for the record.
James William Gillespie Jr.
All right, we'll call the day. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. You were already arraigned. We entered not guilty on your behalf. Give you $0. I'm gonna allow you to pay this refee up front. Can you put this in now, Ms. Mathis? Yes. Please? Yep. I'm gonna allow you to pay this refee up front. You go downstairs, pay the refee. I'll leave the offer open of allowing. and you potentially can have a valid driver's license. I don't know. I say potentially. You might need to take a driving course.
Well, if I have to.
You know what I'm saying? You can drive. That might not be one of your best qualities there.
I can drive.
No, you say you can, everybody thinks they can drive, right? You know what I'm saying? But I'm looking at the record, and it's like, all right. Let's do this. Hopefully they'll give you a license. I don't know. I'll give you the opportunity to see.
Okay.
All right, so go down there, pay the 45. Go to the Secretary of State after you pay the 45, and then see if they'll give you a valid license. I'll have you back next week. You can get to hear the Secretary of State by that time.
Okay.
And then let us know what the Secretary of State leave, allowing, open, going to SOS to try and get licensed. All right, I'm gonna have you back next week, pre-trial. And that's gonna be on the 1st of July, right? 7/1/2026. All right, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Come back next week, go downstairs, it should be in the computer. If you have any issues, you can come back up, but I don't think you should. Go pay that $45. That'll get you clearances here at 36th District Court. I say attempt to get a license because I do know what your driving record looks like. I just don't know for points wise whether they're gonna give you a license, but you gotta go see.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Gillespie, and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Rodriguez Hernandez. Mr. Rodriguez Hernandez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Está bien, volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Rodríguez Hernández. Señor Rodríguez Hernández, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogada. Señora abogada, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
My client was able to present valid insurance and a valid license.
Mi representado presentó seguro válido y licencia válida.
And it was a valid international license, Your Honor.
Y fue una licencia internacional válida. Y el
All right,
seguro.
I'm going to dismiss the case, sir, for provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor. Entonces yo voy a desestimar su caso por haber presentado la documentación debida. Con esto queda su caso desestimado. Que tenga muy buen día. La mejor de las suertes para usted. Se puede retirar.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Que tenga un excelente día, señor.
Igualmente, gracias.
Same to you. Thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Belkey Anaya Durant Martinez. Case number SP 190911802. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Becky Anaya Duarte Martínez, número de caso SP 190-91802.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Erika Harris, representando a la acusada. Señora, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Sí.
Abra su micrófono.
Sí, muy buenos días, señor Honores. Mi nombre es Belki Duarte Martínez.
Very good morning to you, Your Honor. My name is Belki Duarte Martínez.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time, and it's set for an arraignment on the bench warrant, arraignment, for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Hoy es el día y la hora agendada para una orden, no, es para la lectura de cargos. ¿Cómo desea proceder, abogada?
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Martinez, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yo voy a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. La voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogada, quien le va a ofrecer una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, usted tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada.
Sí, muchas gracias.
Yes, thank you.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Marvin Laura Loomis. Case, Mr. Loomis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvamos ahora con el caso de Marvin Lara Loomis. Señor Loomis, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Abogado, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to blocking traffic for disregarding a traffic device sign. The remaining matter to be dismissed. His number is in the chat. He stands ready to do community service.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere aprovecharse de la oferta de resolución que le ha propuesto la fiscalía. Es decir, él va a declararse culpable al cargo de que estaba bloqueando tráfico. Este cargo reemplaza el cargo original de haber desobedecido un rótulo de control de tránsito. El otro cargo queda desestimado. Ya pusimos el número de teléfono de él por el chat y él está preparado a hacer servicio comunitario.
Do you want to take the deal, sir?
¿Y usted quiere aceptar esta oferta, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Y abogado, puede estipular usted que yo puedo depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para establecer un fundamento para esta declaración.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y puede estipular que hay causa razonable para desestimar el otro cargo.
Yes, Your Honor. So
Sí, su
stipulated.
señoría, de acuerdo, sí lo estipulo.
All right, find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic and dismiss the other matter. In lieu of fines and costs, I'll allow you to do 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Muy bien, así que acepto la declaración de responsable de su cliente al cargo de estar bloqueando tráfico. En vez de tener que pagar costos y multas, le pido que haga 6 horas de servicio comunitario. El otro cargo que tenía queda desestimado y él va a hacer su servicio a la comunidad con el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
Do you have the number to Mr. Phillips at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir?
Y señor, ¿usted tiene el número de teléfono para el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad y para poder hablar con el señor Phillips?
Sí.
Yes.
I'll give him a call this afternoon, set the hours up. I'll give you till July 22nd to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, we'll close the matter out. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, entonces llame ese número de teléfono esta misma tarde y pida hablar con el señor Phillips, ¿ok? Y regrese el 22 de julio. Necesita haber completado sus horas de servicio comunitario a más tardar el 22 de julio. Si las ha completado para ese día, el caso queda cerrado. Si no tiene algo que añadir, le queremos desear a usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Ok.
Ok.
Great day.
Muchas
Que
gracias.
tenga un día fenómeno. Thank you very much.
This is the city of Detroit versus Simon Angeles Teles, case number SP 191-29071. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, where is he on the docket?
Second page, right under Alaudi, the third name
Oh, I
down.
see him. Thank you so much. Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Simón Ángeles Telles. Número de caso SP 1912-9071. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Angeles Teles.
Y es Elwood Berry representando al acusado. Usted, señor Ángeles Telles, díganos su nombre completo. Prenda su micrófono, señor.
Ahí está, creo.
Muy bien.
All right, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Ok, buenos días. Usted díganos su nombre completo, por favor.
Muy buenos días, mi nombre es Simón Ángeles Telles.
A very good morning to you. My name is Simon Ángeles Telles.
All right, today is the date and time set for an arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Muy bien, este es el día y la hora que hemos fijado para tener una lectura de cargos. ¿Qué nos dice usted, abogado?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Nosotros renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente, su señoría, y vamos a guardar silencio.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Tellez, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, así que voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y le voy a dar una fianza de $0. Pasen ahora a una sala privada de consulta para que usted pueda hablar, señor, con su abogado defensor. Él le va a dejar saber cuál es la oferta de resolución que le propone la fiscalía. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta esa oferta de resolución, usted tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora en donde dice la palabra join o unirse por la pantalla.
Ok.
Okay. I think he's good. I think he's in there. We'll pass the map. Miss Harris, what does Mr. Martinez want to do?
We are waiting for her to go to number 3. That's where I came back.
Number three.
Number 3, but Miss Harris is not there either. I will be there until she goes.
She's in there now too. Thank you.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Mr. Phillips, is that better?
It's much better.
There it is. That's much better. I'm going to remove the other.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, can you give me a moment before we go to the next case?
Yes.
Thank you. Come back, Judge.
Yeah, let's go back on the record with Ms. Martinez. Ms. Martinez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste en el acta de la señora Martínez. Señora Martínez, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada. Señora abogada Harris, ¿qué desea ser su representada?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea to the amended count of allowing.
Su señoría, mi cliente va a declararse culpable del cargo enmendado de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara.
Oh, I did think your client paid a related civil infraction. Let me see.
Y creo que su cliente también pagó una infracción civil que también tenía. Déjeme chequear.
Your client paid an 11 to 15 mile an hour over the speed limit. If you want to see if that was the city.
Sí, ella pagó ya el ir entre 11 y 15 millas por encima del límite en la ciudad. ¿Usted quiere hablar con la fiscal al respecto?
We'll reach out to the city. One moment, please.
Hablaré con ella. Un momento, por favor.
All right, let's pass that matter.
Vamos a pasar este caso hasta que ella hable con la fiscal.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Tellez. Mr. Tellez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvamos en el acta con el caso del señor Telles. Señor Telles, yo le di a usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Abogado, ¿qué han decidido hacer?
Your Honor, my client has shown a valid license issued by Mexico.
Su señoría, mi cliente me ha mostrado una licencia vigente del país de México.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Muy bien, así que este caso queda desestimado debido a que él nos pudo mostrar documentación válida. Si no tiene algo adicional, señor, le deseamos un buen día y buena suerte.
Muchísimas gracias. Que tengan un excelente día todos.
Thank you so much. Have an excellent day, all of you.
Thank you so much.
Muchísimas gracias.
This is the City of Detroit versus Juan Antonio Nunez, case number SP 188-05451. Appearance for the record, please.
Okay. He does not even interpret, right, Your Honor?
No.
Very good. Thank you.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Nunez.
Name is Juan Antonio Nunez.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. We'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. That's what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you.
Pass the matter. Just a no insurance misdemeanor, Mr. Berry. Go back on the record with Mr. Nunez. Mr. Nunez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and we seek dismissal.
Case dismissed, Mr. Nunez. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
All righty. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good one.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Jacqueline Araguin, case number SP 190941991. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Aragon.
Jacqueline Aragon.
Okay, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date
Good
and
morning.
time is set for an arraignment for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
My client would stand mute, Your Honor, and waive the reading of the information.
Willing or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Aragon, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Who was interpreting for Ms. Calderon?
Me, Your Honor.
No response yet for Ms. Martinez, Ms. Harris?
Not yet, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Calderon. Ms. Calderon, I'm still not satisfied that you're being upfront with me, ma'am.
Señor, vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el caso de la señora Calderón. Señora Calderón, yo todavía no estoy muy convencida de que usted ha sido realmente honesta conmigo.
I remember and recall last time that you indicated that you were driving this vehicle, and I believe you told the court that your mom was right next to you in the vehicle.
Yo creo recordar que la última vez que estuvimos aquí con este caso, usted nos dijo que cuando usted estaba manejando y que su mamá estaba con usted en el vehículo.
Sí.
Yes.
And that your mom allowed you to drive this vehicle.
Y su mamá le permitió a usted que usted manejara.
Sí.
Yes.
I don't understand why that your mom, I think, believe you gave the officer your mom's license.
Yo no entiendo por qué su mamá, yo entiendo entonces que usted le dio al oficial la identificación de su mamá.
Sí.
Yes.
And you tried to impersonate your mother, correct?
¿Y usted trató de hacerse pasar por su mamá?
No.
No.
So why would you give the officer your mom's license when
Entonces,
when he's asking if you had a valid license?
¿Por qué usted le dio al oficial que la paró la licencia de su mamá cuando él está preguntando a usted si usted tiene una licencia válida?
Yo.
I don't know your mom. Don't tell your mom not to talk.
Por favor, dígale a su mamá que permanezca en silencio.
¿Puedo hablar? ¿Puedo hablar?
May I say something?
You may.
Sí, señora. Sí, señorita.
Cuando el oficial nos detuvo, yo iba manejando y me
Bueno.
preguntó a mí mi nombre
y me dio una libreta para que lo anotara. Y ahí puse mi nombre y él me pidió una identificación. Y yo le
When the
dije que no
officer-
tenía.
When the officer stopped us, I was driving, and he gave me, he asked me for my name and gave me a notepad to write down my name, and I wrote down my name. And he asked me for identification form, and I didn't have any identification.
Y cuando después le di la credencial de mi mamá y él puso su fecha de nacimiento, pero puso mi nombre.
And after that, I gave him the identification of my mother, and he wrote down her date of birth, and my name.
Oh, yes. How old are you?
Ah, ya veo. ¿Cuántos años tiene usted?
16.
16.
Right.
Correcto.
And we said you're supposed to be a juvenile, that should have been written up as a juvenile infraction instead of being here in adult court.
Entonces sí que me acuerdo que usted es una menor y que entonces no debería haber estado su nombre escrito en un ticket para una corte superior, como una corte
De adultos.
que no es de menores.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna close this stuff out because your mom did do the community service. I hope both of you have learned a lesson to do not drive without a valid license, and you need to get your license if you want to drive a vehicle.
Está bien, entonces yo voy a cerrar el caso porque su mamá ya hizo las horas de servicio comunitario, pero espero que ambas hayan entendido y haya aprendido que no pueden manejar así y que usted pueda sacar su licencia si usted va a tomar el volante, si usted va a manejar.
Sí.
Yes.
It's nothing further, ma'am. You and your mom, I wish you the best of luck, and your mom cannot be letting you drive a vehicle if you do not have a valid driver's license.
Está bien, esto es todo por hoy. Y su mamá no la puede dejar manejar un vehículo si usted no tiene la licencia válida.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Mom, for the community service. If there's something further, I wish you both the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señora madre. Muchísimas gracias por sus horas de servicio comunitario. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, le deseo a ambas que tengan un excelente día.
Gracias igualmente.
Thank you, same for you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Araguan. Ms. Araguan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. I would think she goes to her alphabet judge.
Okay, is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna mark the file need appointed attorney. I'm gonna give you your alphabet judge is going to be Judge. It's 336. I don't have it's courtroom 336. I don't know who the judge is in that courtroom. And the next court date is going to be a pretrial on August the 14th, August the 4th, 2026 at 8:30. If you don't have the attorney by that date, ask that judge in that courtroom for an appointed attorney.
Okay.
All right. Go
I'm
ahead.
sorry. So you said August 14th?
Yes. The Zoom
Okay.
ID is 603360000.
I'm sorry. Can you repeat it again? I'm sorry.
360-336-0000. And I do need a good phone number from you.
Yep, it's 313-320-3327.
All right, August the 14th, if you don't hear from them, answer the calls you don't recognize. And if you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the August the 14th date, then we'll get one appointed to you they'll ask the judge in there to get one appointed to you, okay?
All right, thank you.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Martinez. Ms. Horn is willing to dismiss for paid related civil infraction, Ms. Harris.
Vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el caso de la señora Duarte. Señora Harris, la abogada fiscal, Mrs. Horn, ¿está dispuesta a desestimar la infracción civil?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
All right, case dismissed, Ms. Martinez, for paying related civil infraction. If there's something further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Está bien, señora Martínez. Entonces, su caso queda desestimado porque usted pagó la infracción civil.
¿Y las horas? Ya no lo puedo hacer.
So I don't need to do any hours. I don't need to do anything.
No, you paid
No,
that
señora.
other ticket.
No, porque usted como pagó la infracción civil, le quitaron ese otro ticket.
Gracias, señor juez, señora. Gracias.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everybody.
Okay. Ms. Medina.
Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Sorry, Your Honor, for being late. I was with Judge Griffin for a bit and got stuck there. I'm sorry, Judge.
Okay. Who's your client?
Mr. Caesar Rizzo Angel.
Where is he?
He should be, he logs on his own, Your Honor. If he's not on, I can make sure to get him on. And he does not require an interpreter.
He's not here.
Okay, I'll make sure to get him on right now, Judge. Can I speak to the city attorney?
You have to, she's not in the room either. We're just about to close up.
Oh, gosh, okay. Should I, oh my God. Okay, thank you, Judge. Is it Miss Horn?
Yes.
I'll try to reach out to her and I'll get my client on. Sorry, Judge.
Mr. Phillips, what about Green, Carlos Andre Green? I had him down for 12 hours of community service as well.
Carlos Green. Yeah, 12 hours.
He did 12 hours?
I don't have.
It says on the sheet he did 6.
I haven't. He did 6, but I haven't got. He hadn't got back with me on the second part of that 6. He only got 6 registered here, and I tried to.
Right. I'm gonna continue him to the 26th. Well, you haven't gotten in contact with them?
I tried, but no, I haven't got any response. So
I'm gonna show cause him. Yeah. All right. And then what about did, I don't know what happened to Gallegos.
No response with him either.
¿Quieres salir?
Sí, salir. ¿Salgo?
Pues, ¿te hablaron?
No.
Pues no sabes. No te hablamos.
Did they speak to me? I don't know. Ms. Duarte,
you're go-
asking Your Honor.
You're free to, Martinez.
Señor,
Sí, sí puedes.
usted, señora Duarte, usted es señora Duarte Martínez, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Usted se puede ya desconectar.
Ay, gracias, no sabía cómo.
Oh, thank you so much. I didn't know how to.
Thank you.
All right, I'll hang it up for you.
Nosotros vamos a desconectarla.
Gracias, gracias.
Thank you, thank you.
Eso lo van a hacer.
What about Muhammad Ali? Did he complete his hours, Mr. Phillips?
He never showed up. He never came into the office.
Trevino, no show.
Trevino, no show.
Yeah, I don't know what happened with him.
Your Honor, whenever you're available, I have an update regarding my client.
I'm ready.
Your Honor, so we're trying to reach out to him and it's going straight to voicemail. We spoke yesterday. I spoke to him yesterday. He knew he had court today. The only explanation I would have for this is in the past, I've represented him on civil infractions where he wasn't required to appear, Judge, and he may have been confused by the fact that in the past he hasn't had to appear. And so I would ask, Judge, for an opportunity to get him before Your Honor, and I'm so sorry about that, Judge, and my delay. I did try to contact the court this morning.
Do you want to send him to his alphabet judge, or does he want to do community service?
You know what, in this circumstance, can we keep it here, Judge? Because I think, yes, if I can get the best resolution here, yes, Judge. If we could keep it here and have a stab at community court, I'd greatly appreciate it.
All right, I'm just gonna have him back next week.
Okay, thank you, Judge, and again, I apologize.
All right. All right, that should conclude the morning. Miss Medina, Miss Nash, Miss Pruitt, Mr. Phillips, Miss Hernandez, Miss Villaroo, Miss Williams Law, Miss Harris, and Mr. Berry. Everybody have a very good rest of your day. And thank you so much, Miss Nash, for coming in and helping us. And that will conclude the morning.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Everyone.
See you next
Thank you, Your
time.
Honor. Thank
Bye,
you.
everyone.
Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Ciao.
Ciao.
All right. Well.